Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to draft custom error message in Dynamics 365 customer service. So, this is the cases record. Like, I want to open this record from here. So here, I can see there are some required field like case title, customer. Like, if I remove the mandatory field from here, so you can see that an error message customer required field must be filled in. If I will put something in this, again that error message is disappear. And if I remove the customer again and then click on save, so customer required must be filled in. Like if I want to change this error message, now how we can do that? So I want to put something new and not use this error message is available here. So what need to do? So create a business rule for that. Now navigate to the Mac.Power Apps and then click on solution and select the solution in which you are working on. So from here click on case. So the first way you can create a business rule. So under the customization, so you can create a business rule from here also. And the another way, under the data experience, click on forms from here and click on case for interactive experience main form. Now select the specific field from here and then go to the business rule and then create a new business rule from here. Now firstly give the name of business rule. So if I click on show detail, change the name of the new business rule is change error message. Now put as description. So that how basically create a business rule and how you can fulfill some condition. So I can put any condition for a matter of fact. So I will just take source as entity, field as case title, letter is contains data. So business rule you can see here. So from here, if a case title contains data, then show me a error message and I need to change the error message from a business rule. Click on add. Now click on add or show error message. And if the condition is satisfied, then click on here. It says show error message. Now what is that error message? So first give the display name is custom message and select the drop down error message and select the particular field. So select the field name is customer, entity is case, and what message you want. Please fill up customer field detail. So here you can pick whatever message you want. Now click on apply from here. Click on apply here also. Now click on save and then click on activate from here. So by this process, you can activate the business rule and business rule is now attached to that specific entity and from that entity you are picking up a specific field which is customer. Now click on activate from here. Now go back to the case form and firstly refresh it and create a new case from here. Like I can put something in the case title, then it become mandatory now and show the error message. So theoretically, you can create your own custom message. You can either show or you can hide the error message based on your need and circumstances. So in this video, we covered how to draft custom error message in Dynamics 365 customer service. Thanks for watching.